I've officially finished the knit raglan top and that tutorial is coming out very soon, but now it's time to go camping. We had to pack so much stuff in the car. I did not believe we could move this much stuff all at once, but we are going camping and it's going to be such a nice peaceful time. I was able to organize the tent right from the jump, make sure that I feel comfortable and cozy. And this was our little tent because the other tent we forgot some sticks for it. Put that campfire up and we enjoyed the evening. Time to relax.